Yo, what the deal? This your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. And over the years, man, Midi has been an irritating thing for me, man. But I finally got this this grandmother working with this machine, and I'm about to show y'all how to do it. Okay, so in this example, we'll be using the complete control, and the first thing that you want to do is connect the Midi cable to the out port of the device. Then you connect the other end of the Midi cable to the in port of the Moog grandmother. Then you want to go over to your screen and select the following. If all went well, that's what should have happened, what y'all just seen right there, man. I hope this video helped y'all, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Click that link down in the description, man. We got new beats up there daily. If you're looking for beats, if you're looking for sounds, anything, man. Click that link down in the description. Subscribe to the channel, boy. We out. Wait, what?